Okay, watch what happens when you press just this one button right there.
Hi, I'm Eric Holmlund, and I want to be the first to tell you about a new program that is going to radically change the way you work and run your business. What if, when you got up in the morning, you didn't have to worry about your work and didn't have to worry about your finances? What if every day you could do the things you wanted to do because you knew a secret? What if you knew how to get your computer to do the work for you? What if all you had to do was push a single button on your computer? Sit back and watch both your productivity and your online profits skyrocket. Check out this real-life push-button marketer in action.
All right, let's get to work. Monkey! What? You want a piece of me? Yo, what is up? Oh, you know, just working pretty hard. I just actually finished like an 8-hour project. So I am definitely ready for a break. You want to get some coffee or something? See you there.
Don't miss out on the biggest game changer that your business may ever see. It's time for you to become a push-button marketer.
Okay, watch what happens when you press just this one button right there.